The test series and the vacation batches proved very helpful. The teachers here are very cooperative and supportive. I owe my success to my parents for their support and also Universal Tutorials for guiding me towards my success.
I would like to thank our dear sir, Mr. Anubhav Sinhal, for cementing such an effervescent institute where children are nurtured efficiently. The UT test series are very well managed to comprehend the students.
I would like to take this opportunity to thank this institution to have helped me and guide me for my good result in the 12th board. I would like to thank the teachers for preparing the good reference notes that helped me a lot in the exam, for doing a proper evaluation of my test papers, thereby giving me valuable suggestions to write in proper language.
Joining and getting acquainted with UT was a turning point for board preparation. The tests were conducted at regular intervals and it helped me find where I stand. The test covered the entire syllabus and I thank all the faculty at Universal Tutorials who helped me to get such percentage.
The test series particularly helped me a lot by giving me ample practice for my board exams and making me correct my mistakes by regular analysis. I would also like to thank the teachers at UT for their constant support and guidance and for the discipline that they maintained so that we could make ample usage of the time given for each lecture.
The test series was very thorough and helped me in time management in my test. Also the volumes of UT are really professional and they help me get an idea into what could come in the test. Also the teachers at UT are very experienced, so it helped me a lot in my exam.